top of your game. And to do that, syempre, kailangan ng constant practice and training. At syempre, you have to watch what you eat. Itong si Mark Michelle, baon niya ang kanyang #1 favorite energy snack. Ano ba to, Michelle?
So, it's called granola bars. I love this because it's really easy to eat.
Okay. Gusto namin yan. Gusto namin mga ganyan pa.
Okay.
Excited kami.
So, first, you have to siguro preheat it.
Baka hindi ka rin sa granola bar.
So, very low shadow. Where's chocolate? Chocolate naman ako.
Ikaw, what about you?
Right now, because I'm not training anymore, so there's less time to exercise. So I try to cut down and
Right.
I love sweet. So siguro the first, what you do first is mix all the dry ingredients together.
Okay.
So pwede na siguro in this bowl.
Okay.
This is like 2.5 cups of crispy rice cereal.
Okay.
So ito yung rice crispy natin without the marshmallow.
Okay.
So here's 2 cups of rolled oats. So it just mixes na talaga together. And then next is almond. So if you want dried fruit or any kind of nut, you can put it inside fruit. Yeah, anything talaga. So it's very flexible. So these are about 1/2 cup also.
Okay.
So just mix them together. It's very easy. Enough that it's for protein. And then next is the wet ingredients naman. So siguro a little butter. Para hindi lang siya masunog.
Gusto ko yung papaypay lang. Yes.
Kaya sa movie yan.
Oo. Dinala ko yung galing na Japan. Wow.
So, just the honey and the brown sugar para caramelize them together. So, honey.
Oh.
And honey is really fattening, even though it's sweet. It's a good alternative to sugar talaga. So, brown sugar is healthier daw. Age-wise. Ikaw ba girl, hindi yung cook? Prito. Prito. Oo nga naman siguro.
Oo.
Sobrang busy din kasi siguro nila bars.
Dahil you bake, you're more of a baker. Okay. Yung mga bars, dito ka lang. May pakandar ka pala sa
Actually, more sinanong matuto na tayo mag-bake. Sabi na tayo sa cooking na rin niya.
Pwede kasi ba siya may ganun?
Oo nga eh. Sana mo yung magregalo sa atin. Ay, bumingit ng uber naman yung kamar.
Pinto yan. Ay, maganda yung pagpaparinig mo.
Well, the gratis bars were So after when it boils, you can mix it already to the peanut butter and to the vanilla extra.
Okay.
So, pwede na.
Pwede na.
Pwede na. So just pour and
Then yung papadikit mo lang for all of it to come together. Ayun.
just pour everything. And then just dump everything inside. Next is the peanut butter. A lot of people are allergic to peanut butter. So, ano alternative kapag may allergy? Cookie butter daw. Cookie butter? Mahal naman ng granola. Oo. This is 1 teaspoon vanilla extra.
Bango. Ay,
And just mix.
wow. Ay, ang galing.
So there, when it's okay na, you just put it inside your mold.
Medyo loose siya, no? I mean, we're not waiting for it to be super sticky together.
No.
Okay lang na medyo loose siya.
Because for it to be sticky, you have to put more peanut butter or more. Yeah. So after that, this can be used as a mold, but something higher sana. Para talaga. So after that, you just siguro put it in a plate and just flatten it out.
Oo, that's what
Yeah, then you put it in the You can put it in the rest.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige lang.
Freezer. Or freezer na lang para
Mabilis.
Okay. So there, after that, you just let it cool and then you just cut it into squares.
Is it, like, di ba na magiging crumbly siya?
No.
Hindi, talaga mag-iba sa solid siya.
Solid lang talaga. You just have to siguro balance the oats and the liquid.
Right. Para mag-iba.
So hindi natin matitikman. Wala pa naman, no? Oo, yeah. Hindi lang pa naman. Ang difference lang nun, mas dikit-dikit siya at mas malamig. Ito parang breakfast cereal. Kaya, or music.
Yes. Oo, mga naman. I love it. Here you go. Oh, thank you. Kami si peanut butter mo.
Right? Hindi ako nagluto. Masarap. Parang yung ampaw. Parang may ampaw ng Chinatown yung gano'n. Tapos yung peanut sa labas. Yung nilasa niya. Ano, peanut butter. Bitaw. Cookie butter.